Yeah, what's up, man? What's going on? We have seen a lot of things happen this week based on the analysis we have done so far. We have seen USDJPY has gone so far, but today is Friday, so we want to take advantage of the big move that is coming today. If everything goes good, that my computer screen does not freeze up, I think we're gonna have a good analysis. But if it freezes up, then I think I have to forget about the analysis, man. So based on this USDJPY that I'm looking at right now, today is Friday. Now this one is preparing to go make the final move of the week to the downside. Okay, to the downside. So what I think about it is that from this point, I think a kind of 100 pips, 150 pips at 111.500 is possible. Going down from here, breaking this bottom, So if I take a look at it properly, I think we should be talking about 111.500. But we trade in a different way. We have different kind of trader. As you can see that I already have my own pending sell limit or whatever sell stop order available right here, and with a very tight stop loss, because I understand that it might make a final push to my stop loss right here before it turns around, but if it doesn't, it's gonna turn around just like this and find its way back. As you have seen my own sell stop order available right here, if you can take a look. Okay, so that means what? That I'm ready to let it go do its job, to make a final push to the downside. So if you are the type who don't like those type of long kind of trade to get to 111.500, then you can do your own TP over here. You can see where I'm touching right here, 111.831. You can do it because it's gonna break this thing within the next 9 to 10 hours. It's gonna break this thing. So this is the analysis of the USDJPY, that I got a tight stop loss. Okay, I got a tight stop loss because I've seen it's turning around, so I got a tight stop loss to risk little to go target a big amount of pips. So as you know, you can everybody now trying to get into this trade right from here. Okay, some people now going to 111.500. Some people, a lot of people will get out here 111.775. So this is the analysis of the USDJPY so far. I cannot do much analysis. I wish I do more, but my computer screen is freezing up, so it doesn't make that thing look so cool to me. But whatever. Today is Friday. We're having the final down push of the week. So thank you. Take care, man. See you next week. Bye bye.